This isn't just another update about batteries. It's framed as a turning point where the future breaks away from the past. For decades, lithium has quietly dominated, powering phones, electric cars, and even home energy systems. But under that dominance, issues have been building. Rising costs, fire hazards, and heavy dependence on a limited global supply chain. Now, claims are emerging from what's described as a highly secretive Tesla lab, suggesting a breakthrough that could overturn the entire system. A new battery concept is being presented, built not on scarcity but on abundance, not on fragility but durability. And the claim is that it doesn't simply compete with lithium, it surpasses it entirely. The question being raised is whether this marks the end of lithium's era or the start of something even larger. So, how is a Tesla aluminum-ion battery said to be changing everything? It's being described not just as an alternative to lithium, but as a complete replacement. The idea centers on a basic chemical difference. Aluminum ions carry 3 positive charges, while lithium ions carry only 1. In theory, that means aluminum could transfer more charge per ion, potentially increasing energy output without needing rare materials or complex engineering. Safety is presented as an even bigger advantage. Lithium batteries can develop dendrites, tiny metallic structures that grow inside the cell and may puncture separators, sometimes leading to short circuits or fires. Aluminum-based systems are claimed to avoid dendrite formation entirely, making them more stable across a wider temperature range, roughly from 40 degrees to 85 degrees. In this framing, that would mean reduced fire risk, less chance of thermal runaway, and potentially simpler cooling requirements. There's also the supply argument. Lithium is relatively limited and concentrated in specific regions of the world, which creates cost and geopolitical pressure. Aluminum, by contrast, is extremely abundant in the Earth's crust and generally easier to source and refine. It is also said to reduce reliance on cobalt, which has raised ethical and supply concerns in conventional battery supply chains. In this narrative, aluminum isn't just an improvement over lithium, it's positioned as something that could eventually replace it altogether. Why is aluminum ion described as being far superior to lithium? The claim is that it pushes past lithium's fundamental limits. In terms of energy density, lithium-ion batteries typically reach around 250 watt-hours per kilogram. The aluminum-ion concept is claimed to reach figures far beyond that, even into the thousands, which would imply dramatic changes in electric vehicle range, turning a few hundred miles into several thousand on a single charge. Longevity is another major point. Lithium batteries generally degrade after roughly 2,000 charge cycles, which translates to several years of daily use. Aluminum-ion systems are described as lasting tens of thousands of cycles, potentially decades of operation. This durability is attributed to self-healing electrode behavior, where small structural damages inside the battery are said to repair themselves over time, preventing the kind of gradual breakdown that limits lithium batteries. Charging speed. Lithium needs nearly an hour for 80%. Aluminum ion hits 100% in just 10 minutes without overheating. That's because aluminum ions move 3 times faster and don't struggle with heat, buildup, and safety. Aluminum batteries can't explode or catch fire. They're non-toxic and chemically stable. Lithium batteries have caused thousands of EV fires. Aluminum makes that danger disappear. In every category, energy, speed, safety, and life, aluminum ion doesn't compete with lithium. It completely replaces it. How unbelievable are the exclusive features only aluminum-ion batteries can unlock? Aluminum-ion technology doesn't just outperform lithium, it unlocks features that once seemed like science fiction. First comes the self-healing electrode system. Tiny cracks, the kind that destroy lithium batteries over time, are repaired within seconds in aluminum cells. Research shows these repairs restore 99.7% of the battery's original structure, sometimes even improving performance beyond 100% through more efficient ion pathways. In other words, the battery doesn't just recover, it gets stronger. Then there's the power storage revolution. A single aluminum ion Tesla could hold up to 2,000 kilowatt hours, enough to power multiple homes or entire work sites. It's more than a car battery, it's a mobile power station. Tesla's survival mode system distributes energy intelligently during blackouts or emergencies, keeping essentials running for weeks. And perhaps most shocking of all is deep sleep mode. Unlike lithium, which degrades in storage, aluminum ion enters a crystal-like stasis. It loses almost zero capacity even after 10 years. And when reawakened, it's ready in 30 seconds with full performance. These aren't minor improvements. They are new categories of capability, and they prove that aluminum ion isn't just a better battery. It's a completely new era of energy technology. Now first, Like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you. How does the aluminum-ion battery make EVs truly affordable for the masses? This is where aluminum-ion technology transforms not just batteries, but the economics of transportation itself. Lithium once made EVs expensive, fragile, and exclusive. But aluminum changes the equation completely. It's the third most abundant element on Earth, and that abundance means stability. A 50 kilowatt-hours battery pack that used to cost up to $7,500 with lithium can now be built for as low as $2,000 to $4,000 using aluminum ion. That single shift cuts the total price of an EV by up to 20%. Recyclability adds another layer. While lithium batteries degrade with each recycling process, aluminum-ion batteries retain up to 95% of their efficiency even after multiple cycles. This reduces long-term production costs and waste. Tesla knows what this means. The upcoming Model 2, rumored to start under $15,759, is their answer to mass market domination. It won't just be cheaper. It will outperform everything in its class with over 400 miles of range and a full recharge in under 15 minutes. Most important of all, it will last a lifetime. One aluminum ion pack could run for 70 years. No replacements, no fire risk, no compromises. This isn't just affordability, it's liberation from everything holding EVs back. Why 2025 is the beginning of a new battery era. Back in 2022, Elon Musk said things would go ballistic next year. That year is now, and what we're seeing isn't just an upgrade, it's a turning point. After nearly 7 years of silent development in Tesla's Nevada lab, the aluminum-ion battery is finally ready for commercial scale. This isn't speculation, it's real. Quietly, Tesla has begun production, and insiders suggest we're just months away from a full reveal. Likely at Tesla's rumored 2025 battery day this September. What makes this timing so powerful is everything happening around it. Lithium supply chains are cracking under pressure. Prices are volatile. Governments are scrambling to regulate extraction. And consumers, they're growing tired of EVs that cost more than they save, that take too long to charge, and that come with hidden risks. Aluminum ion erases all of that. It arrives just when the world needs it most. If Tesla unveils a fully deployable aluminum-ion battery this September, 2026 will be the first year electric vehicles truly go mainstream. Not because of subsidies or hype, but because they finally make sense. This isn't the future arriving slowly. This is a new era slamming the door shut on the past. Why the end of lithium means more than just a better battery. This isn't just a story about aluminum replacing lithium. It's a shift in how we think about energy, technology, and independence. Lithium's dominance brought progress, but it also came with a price.